Okay, this is the Peterson winch frame production model mill. It's 8-inch cut. It has the Kohler engine, the Pro 27. You can see the mill is in very good condition. How the blade is set up. This is how I normally set the mill. It's the fastest way I found. Other people do it different ways. Everybody finds their own way of operating the mill. I usually make 2 sacrificial 8-inch by 8-inch beams. These were out of a standing dead red oak, and I cut these beams at about, I think they're around 17 feet in length. That's what I needed to split them in 2. Typically I like to be closer to 20. You got the center support you can raise as you roll your logs in place. Once they get in place, you set the center support down. You got to have the mill at the end in order to do that. And then you're set up to cut. On the side, you have the gauge for vertical. You will set it so that it has the mark for saw curve. So right now I'm getting ready to lower this mill. So I will take it and I will drop it down. I'm going to be sawing at 1 3/4 inch. So I will drop it to 1 3/4 inch. And then we'll make our next cut.